everyone. It's really close to Valentine's Day, but I want to show you this super quick and easy gift. It holds 5 Hershey's Kisses, and I figured out this little box, and I'll tell you, this takes only a couple of minutes to do. And then I use the Hugs and Kisses Valentine words, and so that's what I use there. All you need to make just these cute little gifts is a 5.5 by 4 1/4 piece of cardstock, and then whatever you're going to use for your sentiment. And then I cut out some hearts just with these couple of heart shapes that came with these Valentine words. I cut it out of some paper that I made using mica sprays from Tim Holtz, and so easy. And then you need your Hershey's Kisses and a scoreboard. So I'm just going to show you how quick and easy this is to make this little box. So you're going to start on with your short side up, and you're going to score at 1 inch, and then 2 1/8, and then 3 1/4. Done. Then you're going to flip so your long end is up, and you're going to score at 3/8 and at 5 1/8. So basically at the end of each side, you have a 3/8 inch little score down there. Okay, now before you do your folds, you're going to take your scissors, and we're starting, I'm just going to turn it so that I've got my longest part here. I'm going to cut clear down to my second line, and I'm actually going to cut that off at a little bit of an angle. And I'm going to do a little angle on the other side, so, and then cut this off. So I'm just creating a little tab, and that little tab is what's going to hold those in so that they don't dump out. And it just flips in, okay? And then I'm going to basically do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, all right. Now you can go through and do your folds. Fold all the way down, and make sure that your pretty side is on the outside. This paper has a little bit of a shine on one side, and so I want to make sure that's on the outside. So then I'm going to put my Hershey's Kisses in the box like this, and then I'm going to fold it into a triangle. So easy. And then while I'm holding it, I'm going to come with my glue, and I'm actually going to glue this really well. That, and line it up, and then I can just really push that down. I can go ahead and close the tab, bend that in, and that'll keep your kisses from falling out. And then I'm just going to take all of my little items here, and I'm going to create my sentiment. This is nice and glued down. I can go ahead, take my sentiment like that, straighten it up, hold her down, and done. And I made just a whole bunch of these in just a few minutes. I went ahead and added an extra little heart from some of the confetti hearts I cut out just on the front, just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. But look at all these, and how easy was that? That takes literally less than 5 minutes to do. So these can either be handed out basically just like this, or you could package them in one of our little 2x9 cellophane bags, add a little bag topper and a bow, and then you've got another way to present them. So if you need a really quick just Valentine's treat box holder, you can make that out of a piece of cardstock that's 5.5 by 4 1/4. You can write on it, kids can sign their names, and there is a little treat of Valentine Kisses. So great last minute Valentine treat. Hope you liked it. Hope you have a day that's full of beauty and love and wonder, and we'll see you next time.